Today I got this OnGuard. It's a slider lock. That's what the key looks like. It's mirrored, so you have 8 sliders. There's 4 on each side, but they go to the same depths. They're the same cut on both sides. So you got 8 sliders, but you only have 4 cuts. You have to pick them both. Both sides. You do have to pick all 8 sliders. I'm going to use this half diamond. There we go. I think that's all 4 sliders on that side. I believe there's just one slider left. There it is. You can partially disassemble this. Under this plastic cover, there's a metal case. I don't know how far this can be disassembled, because once you take the plastic case off, I'll show you here. Once you take that off, you can take these Allen screws off. This is just another cover. But right there is another Allen screw that has a ball bearing driven into it. But that's what holds the lock core inside this metal body. So, I guess I could take a punch and drive that ball in far enough to probably get a hold of that screw and take the screw out. And then maybe the core is actually disassemblable from there, but I'm not going to do that today. I'd have to go find a punch, and you know, I don't want to do all that, so I'm not going to. But anyway, there's the OnGuard motorcycle lock, bicycle lock, something like that, I guess is what they're marketed for. Not too hard to pick. I do like the little flashlight that comes on one of the keys. It's kind of helpful. But not a very complicated lock to pick. As you saw, it's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.